Hey guys, welcome back to Dinosaur Stuff. Today we'll be unboxing the Tarbosaurus, Jurassic World. Primal attack, massive biter, dinosaur control, total Medorus giants. And so, let's get started right into the review. So, first we're gonna have to take him out of the box. Here's the Tarbosaurus. If you press, you can move his legs up and down. And this button right here on his back will press to make the jaw. And he can, if he twists the tail, he'll do this. So, that's the Tarbosaurus review. Let me check how tall he is. He is about 7 inches at that height. 7 inches at the 7 inches. Wait, hold on. Oh, sorry. Yeah. About 8 inches at max height. And he is a little bit over than a foot long, about a foot and an inch. So yeah, it's Tarbosaurus, and this is the scan code. Scan code. So yeah, that's Tarbosaurus review. Have a good day or night. See you later.